Ever feel like you're stuck, doing the same thing every day but going nowhere? What if I told you even one tiny change can shift everything? This is called the 1% rule, improving just a little bit each day. It starts small, writing one idea, one goal, one step. Maybe it's just one push-up or 1 minute of effort, or reading just one page when you feel like doing nothing. Day by day, those tiny wins start to stack up. And suddenly, you're stronger, smarter, more confident. You look back and realize how far you've come. So don't wait for big changes. Start small.
And here's the truth. Most people quit before it even starts to work. Not because they're not capable, but because they expect results too fast. Growth doesn't shout, it whispers. It hides in the small things you almost ignore. The extra minute you choose to keep going. The moment you decide not to give up. The choice to try again, even when it feels pointless. That's where change really begins. Not in motivation, but in consistency. Because motivation fades, but habits stay. And habits shape your future. Think about it. Every expert you admire started as a beginner. Every strong person was once weak. Every confident voice once doubted itself. They didn't suddenly transform overnight. They just kept showing up again and again and again, even on the days they didn't feel like it, especially on those days, because those are the days that matter most. When it's hard and you still move forward, even just a little, that's the 1% rule in action. Not perfect progress, but steady progress. And over time, that small effort compounds. One day becomes a week becomes a month becomes a year. And that version of you once dreamed about, it slowly becomes real. Not because of one big moment, but because of hundreds of small ones. So if you're feeling stuck right now, if it feels like nothing is changing, don't stop. You're closer than you think. Keep going, keep building, keep becoming. Because the smallest step today is still a step forward, and forward is everything.